Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel, Dino World TV. Today, there are many animals in our mud ground, including a very big tiger, a very cute parrot, and a zebra, along with many other animals. So, let's start the video, and first, let's get the animals out of the mud. It's a lion. Let's clean it. Lion cleaned up. Now, we have the next animal, the hippo. Let's clean it. Hippo cleaned up. Now, let's see what is the next animal we have. Wow, it's a cheetah. Let us clarify. Which is the next animal we have? It is a cow, which provides milk for all of us. Let's clean it up. Now, we have the next animal, a tiger. Let's clean it up. Now, we have the next animal, a parrot, which is quite nice to look at. Let's clean it up. Now, we have the next animal, a bison. Let's clean it up. We have the next animal, a bear. Let's clear it up. What is the next animal we have? This one is a panda, which eats bamboo. Let's clean it by taking it out of the mud. Panda is clean. Now, we have the next animal, a rhinoceros. Let's clean it. We have the next animal, a sheep. Let's clean it by taking it out of the mud. Now, we have the next animal, a very big zebra. Clean it by taking it out of the mud. Let's clean the zebra. Now, let's see what is the next animal we have. It is a camel, which lives in the desert. Let's clean it. Now, let's see what is the next animal we have. It is a very big tiger. Let's clean it. Let's get the tiger cleared. Thanks, guys, for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.